What?
What kind of bird is it?
Sit up.
Help.
Sit up. You can
Help.
sit up. I know you can sit up.
Help. Are you recording me?
Maybe so.
Because I see you, Rabbi. I know you're recording me.
I am recording you.
I know you're recording me. My mom recorded me before.
Has she?
Yeah, with her camera.
Yeah?
I wish I had my camera phone. I heard it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What did you do?
I think I
It won't move. Oh no, Cassidy.
fix it.
You fix it.
It's moving.
It's not moving. Not like it should. What are you going to tell Daddy? Uh-oh. What are we going to do?
Probably not.
What are we going to say?
Say anything.
No, you got to say something because that wouldn't be right.
Just be calm and keep your mouth zipped.
No, that's not how we do it. What's God tell us to do?
Tell your dad.
Tell the truth. So what we got to say?
I'm afraid he'll whip me.
What are we going to say?
I'm afraid.
What are we going to say? Say, I got you. Because it's not broke, it does that when you do the wheel. Ha ha.
It does?
Yeah.
It's supposed to do that?
Yeah. But don't be messing with the stuff.
Uh-oh. Not Daddy. Oh no.
You're not in trouble. It does that.
I'm gonna pretend I'm sleeping.
Oh, okay.